know you wanna love, but I just wanna fuck. And girl, you know the deal. You gotta keep it real.
What's a Tuesday? Welcome in. Come on in. Come on in. Welcome to the crib. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mackenzie Drake. And if the camera's bad, that's because of my roommate, Jameson, J-Mo Butter, we like to call her. Show yourself. There she is. I've been needing to do a room tour for the past like 5 months, and I'm finally gonna do it. Dorm room tour. Let's start with the door. Emily made these little what would I call these?
Letterboard?
Letter canvas. I don't know. It's an M and it's a Q hammer. For here, we got my Heartless poster, and then up here on the entryway, this is my dance team, so I just decided to put that there. The first thing I have is my mirror. We love it. We stand. Ew, I look so bad.
Hey.
I got this mirror like last year. Most of these things are the same as my last room tour, but now it's in a dorm, so shit's different. Do you see me? You see me? I got this off of Wayfair, and then this little fur rug thing. I don't know where I got that. I think I got it from my mom. This is somebody else's vacuum, but I use it. It is now me and James's vacuum. I have an air conditioner. Wait, this is a fan.
A fan.
That's a fan. I got it off of Target. And I put my little Shein hat on top. This is so cute. Over here we got my shoes. We got the kicks. We got the Air Force. You know, we got all that going on. Hell yeah, get the pan. Bitch, you're like so natural. Is this shoe rack? Amazon. I think I got it on Amazon. And yeah, that's basically it. Over there I have like duffel bags and like my ring light carrot, I don't know, extra shit. Then here we have my closet. So here I just keep my dance bag, you know, my palm or whatever, and like a little jacket. This is for a video. Here's my closet. Nothing special really. It's kind of a lot of space, but I have a lot of clothes. So here I just got some hoodies, sweatshirts, my jackets. I keep practice clothes up here. Y'all know I'm on the dance team. And then I got like spring clothes over here, bathing suits, beanies, extra hangers. Up here, just put boxes, decorative boxes. Here, I keep like boxes from companies, like stuff like that. Here I got balsa wood, my ring light. Oh. This is my balsa wood for my 3D design. There's the ring light. Jameson's getting a close-up. Bed. I have it in the corner. Get a nice little bed shot. The twin ain't terrible. You know, I live life with it. You know, it's not bad. If you see stains, she's gone through it. I'm just always spilling shit on this comforter. Here are these bags. This one's Amazon. This one's Shein. Comforter. Amazon. My sister. Who really cares about this? But, the bed's comfy. We got a memory foam pad. I don't know why. I just can't speak right now. I don't know what's going on. And then up here above my bed, I have my little... Some girl made this ring. Look at the stitching. Ooh. Yeah, so I have it over my bed like a fucking... Like, I don't even know. Anyways. And then under my bed, I'll go too in depth, but I have my bed on the highest like setting, I think. I think it's almost the highest. So I have my mini fridge over here. Y'all already know what the fuck going on. We got that thing. We got that thing. We got spinach dip. We got sunny. You just already know what's going on. And then I got Arizona water. We got all the snacks, my dishes, my laundry that I haven't done. We won't talk about it. But I really like that my bed is high so I can fit things under. Down under. Now, window. Love the window. So right by my windowsill, I just keep all my sunglasses. Motherfuckers collecting dust. But I think it's nice and decorative. I have a little trash can. Yep. Over here, I have my like 8 like zip up jackets that I rotate through. I'm always wearing jackets. Got my dresser, my desks, my makeup organizer. I won't go too in depth with it because my last room tour I did, maybe I'll link it down below. I like went super in depth with everything, but like all my makeup brushes in this little Amazon organizer. I have this little, I'm pretty sure this is from Amazon. And all my earrings are on this thing from where Amazon. And ooh, there's hair in this.
Oh.
That's blonde.
Oh, wow. The little trash can's coming in handy, right?
Yeah, there we go. Garbage. I gotta light my candle. These are illegal.
Uh-oh.
Don't tell anybody. I just...
Oh, you got a long lighter.
Yes, just look at this. Got, you know, random shit in here and all my makeup. If you want me to do a full makeup collection, I don't know if I'm that type of girl anymore. Over here, I have all my, these are all my Dossier perfumes. Like, y'all already know what's going on. Yes, get the paint. Here's my Warm and Cozy. This is what I use every single day with the baby oil. And I just got some Victoria's Secret. Got my Glade. We got the carpet powder. You already know. Then we got my TV. I'm so thankful that I have a single room because lived with someone, you just have to like. Sorry. Oh, either of you leaving? This is Morgan, our other roommate.
What'd you say?
Are any of you leaving?
No, I can let you in.
If I lived with someone, you gotta like sync schedules. You gotta. It just wouldn't end well. I feel like I'd start. Even if it was you, I feel like we'd start growing apart. So I'm happy we don't have one together. I forgot to tell y'all motherfuckers. I added LED lights. I have my TV and everything. My nail polish. Over here we got my speaker. This motherfucker comes in handy. I got it for Christmas. I'm pretty sure I already told y'all about it. But my alarm clock. We got the everything going on. We got the masks. And we got the vinyl. Oh my god. Nicole on my dance team got me a weekend vinyl for Secret Sister. I could die. But yeah, shout out to Anna Grace. I really don't do my schoolwork here, but I like to call it my school desk. So we got my computer, planner, my cute little mug, my plant, hand sanitizer, you know, pencils, my cute little, yes, a little frame action. I have some tape, stapler, my books, whatever. This is from Amazon. My plants from Hobby Lobby. Literally everything's off of Amazon. I'm pretty sure I linked everything in my last room tour, so make sure y'all check that out as well. For my wall, I've already spoke on this, I feel like all the time, but you know, there's new people, so. I have my blonde Frank Ocean poster. I got both of these posters off Amazon, but I have no idea the link because I can't find them anymore. Motherfuckers are priceless to me. And then we got my plaque and my weekend CDs. Yes, zoom in on the plaque, period, bitch.
Anyways, okay.
My mom made for me and I got it at graduation. Well, / my birthday present. But adorable. And then, what else? My dresser, whatever. Underwear, t-shirt, sweatpants, jeans. This has all my like medical shit. I don't know. Just random stuff. Vitamins. Spare key. We love all that. Down here is just more random shit. I have a case for my speaker. And a lot of fun stuff. This like little door hanger thing from the dollar store. Over here is just all my uniforms and stuff, like for the dance team. I just keep them hung up so it's easier. And then I got all my purses. This is my Michael Kors one. And my belt, another purse. All good things. Just keep a robe over here that I actually like never wear.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen you wear that.
I wore it like week 1 of August. And then this is Ava's amazing portrait of me.
Oh.
I look a different race, but it's all good. I appreciate her doing that.
Ava. That's so cute.
Keep my keys hung up over here.
Me, Jameson. I live with Mackenzie Drake, as you guys all No to love. Look at us.
So that is my dorm room tour. Let me know how y'all enjoyed it. Get a little glimpse. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you guys have any questions about anything in here, just leave me a comment and then I'll try to respond as quick as I can. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and TikTok and all that shit. Oh my god, this is put me out the whole time. Tap that scab.